Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can fix Roblox avatar not loading. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, there are a couple of reasons on why this is happening, and this is not entirely your fault. Sometimes the cookies inside the Roblox website can get messy, so you have that to fix. So in order to clear those cookies in Roblox, you can just go ahead and navigate through your browser settings while inside the Roblox website right here. And inside the browser settings, you can just go ahead and search for clear browsing data. Now you want to go ahead and click on this option, which is the clear history, cookies, cache, and more. Right after that, you can just go ahead and select all time, and you want to make sure that the cookies and other site data is enabled. Click on clear data and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.